selling a 2015 Peterbilt 389. I'm the second owner of the truck. I bought the truck with 96,000 miles on it. It's got 136,660 on it today. I'm the only person that's drove it since we made it into a dump truck. I would say that no matter how picky you are, I doubt you're more picky than me. When we take it to the shop, and I can give you their phone number if you call and you want to talk to the guys that actually wrenched on the truck, I've got that, and I'm happy to let you talk to them. When we pull it in there to get something fixed, we never ask how much it costs. It just gets fixed. When you buy the truck from us, and you fly into Boise, Idaho to get it and drive it to wherever you're going with it, it'll be freshly serviced, greased, and gone through. There won't be anything it needs but a job. Radio stays, just everything the way you see it, other than my DOT number and my brand that won't be on the truck. The rest of it stays just exactly the way it is, and what you see is what you get. The truck was put into dump truck service in April. It hauled a tank that they hauled some kind of powder into a concrete plant. We bought it from basically the bank and an insurance company is how the truck got sold, and we bought it out of that. And there's a little bit of a story there. I'll get to that if you're interested in the truck. But anyway, it's a Cummins ISX motor. Came when God built it. It had a 550 horsepower motor in it, 18-speed tranny, 46,000 rears with lockers. Got a Jake brake. Truck's got a 16,800 pound front end on it. It did not come as a dump truck. We made it into a dump truck, so we changed the front end. Added the proper leaf springs and did the frame. It's a 3/4 double frame with the tube, as you can clearly see how we mounted the dump bed on it. It's on top of that double frame, but the truck runs and drives like it looks. There's no surprises, no excuses. It runs down the road just like they ought to. Air conditioner blows ice cold. The only thing that I don't have that's not perfect on it is there's a def thing coming up on the computer. I'm not gonna fix it. I actually was gonna delete the truck, but I didn't. I got another dump truck. I'm gonna run that one, not this one. But anyway, very, very nice dump truck. This is not a turd. You're not buying a pig in a poke. It's been, like I said, it's been a dump truck since April. All the bed, all the equipment to run it, the axles, all the stuff has been used for, like I said, since April till now. So it's virtually new. We bought the truck with 96,000 miles on it. It's got 36,661 now. So that's the truck. Give me a call. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.